How to use TikTok, a step-by-step guide. TikTok has quickly become one of the most popular social media platforms, offering endless entertainment and opportunities for creativity. If you're new to TikTok or looking to get the most out of the platform, here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate and enjoy TikTok to its fullest. Getting started. Download the app. First, download the TikTok app from the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Once installed, open the app and sign up for an account. Create an account. You can sign up using your email, phone number, or an existing social media account like Facebook, Google, or Twitter. Choose a username that reflects your personality or brand, as this will be how other users identify you on the platform. Navigating the app. Home feed. The home feed is where you'll find two main sections. Following, this shows content from users you follow. For you, this section features an algorithmically curated feed displaying popular and trending videos based on your interests and interactions. You can swipe up to scroll through the videos, and swipe left or right to switch between the following and a For You feeds. Discover. Tap the magnifying glass icon to open the Discover page. Here, you can explore trending hashtags, sounds, and users. It's a great way to find new content and get inspiration for your own videos. Inbox. The inbox is where you'll see notifications, including likes, comments, new followers, and messages. It's also where you'll find your direct messages if you've enabled that feature. Profile. Click the person icon to go to your profile. Here, you'll be able to view and manage your videos, see who you're following, and check your followers. You can also edit your profile information and settings. Creating and posting videos. Record a video. To start creating a video, click the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. You can record videos up to 3 minutes long, or even 10 minutes if you have access to this feature. Use music, effects, and filters to add flair to your videos. Edit your video. After recording, you can easily edit your video by trimming, adding music, and applying effects. TikTok offers a variety of creative tools to help bring your vision to life. Add a caption and hashtags. Before posting, add a catchy caption and relevant hashtags. This helps others discover your video and makes it more engaging. Post your video. When you're ready, hit the post button to share your creation with the world. Your video can then start gaining likes, comments, and shares. Engaging with others. Like, comment, and share. Engagement is key on TikTok. Like, comment, and share videos from other creators to connect and grow your community. Follow users. Keep an eye out for creators you enjoy and don't hesitate to follow them. This will enhance your content feed and introduce you to new and exciting creators. Participate in challenges. Joining trending challenges is a fantastic way to gain visibility and connect with others in the TikTok community. Plus, it's a lot of fun. Closing thoughts. With its endless potential for creativity, TikTok is a platform worth exploring. Whether you're there to connect with friends, create fun videos, or simply scroll through entertaining content, TikTok has a place for everyone. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.